Up for auction is the Antec Fusion home theater PC case. The case is in beautiful condition, no scratches, no marks on it. There is a little bit of dust on the inside front panel, but when the LCD is lit up you do not see that. It does have a single CD or DVD output. I am selling this case with a micro AMD motherboard. The motherboard came out of an HP Pavilion A6228X. All you'll need to do is add the CPU, RAM, hard drive, and a CD or DVD player. It comes with a 430 watt power supply. The power supply is brand new. When I purchased the case, I pulled this power supply out and used a higher wattage to drive 2 video cards. All the wires are connected. The LCD is working in fine condition. You can see where the power wires are for the LCD. The LCD does run off of the iMod software, which can be found at SoundGraph. Your CD or DVD player. It's a very simple install. It does have space for 2 hard drives up front here. 2 fans on the side. Again, the case is in beautiful condition and works fine. This is up for auction, the Antec Fusion home theater PC case.